Alright, here's our first coat of structural white on this drywall area that's messed up. It's hanging in there nicely. Yeah. It's hanging in there nicely. So we mix up some structural white, we put it in there. It's hanging in there nicely. We got this, yeah. We got this caulk line here, nice and straight. There's the other piece back there that we're gonna get in a minute.